school, when you hear about Santa, what comes to our mind is cash, it's a gift, okay? So the word Santa is associated with goodies, yeah, goodie bags, goodies, when we were in primary school. So um, when you hear Santa, a lot of good things flows into your mind, okay? So when you hear something like a trade Santa, what comes to your mind? Of course, that's a lot of goodies because uh, a trade Santa is a platform that allows you to make money while you are sleeping, okay? It helps you to make money while you are doing other things that you love to do in your life. It could be swimming, it could be dancing, it could be sports, it could be learning new skill that you want, okay? That's exactly what Trade Santa allows you to do. Okay, like you don't have to keep working and working every day of your life in the financial market. All right. So some people like to call me bot father because I'm bullish about bots. I'm bullish on automation. Okay, when I see things that can make life simpler, when I see things that can make life better, so I'm always bullish on those tools, those software, those bots, those machines. Okay, so today I like to talk about Trade Santa. Okay, I would like to share the new journey with you because I'm going to be using this platform for my trades. Obviously, I'm going to be using this platform for my trade, and I'll be updating you guys about the progress I've made with respect to this Trade Santa bot. Okay, so when I start a new journey like this, it is my habit that I invite you. If you're my subscribers or if you're just watching this channel for the first time, okay, I'm inviting you guys to try this boat out with me. Okay, it's a journey. It's a journey. Okay, and I'm going to try as much as possible to document my journey and share with the rest of the world. All right. So this is the platform. I'm going to click on my accounts. Okay, I'm logged in already, and this is my dashboard, as you can see. Okay, so I've been able to link my API. If you don't know how to link your API, you can check out some of the videos on YouTube channel. Okay, just go to Crypto Niche YouTube channel and check out some of my videos I've made on how to create API for a trading bot. Right, so don't sleep on that. Don't slack on that. So it has been able to scan my OB. Okay, but this is the balance right here on that OB account. Okay, this is the balance I'm going to be using for this trade journey. Okay, I'd like to prove to you guys that even with small capital, you can even do amazing stuff with this bot. That's exactly what I like to prove to you. So let's try and create a bot. As you can see, what is a trading terminal? Okay, it shows you an overview of what you are holding on your spot wallet. What you are holding in your spot wallet. You can see these are assets that are available on the spot wallet right here. Okay, so but today let's try and create a DCA bot. Of course, you have access to a whole lot of bots on the platform. Okay, you have access to DCA bots, grid bots, futures DCA bots, future grid bots. Okay, so you have access to a wide range of tools to make your life better, to make your life easier. Okay, on this platform. So on all that, let me share one secret to you guys. Let's assume that you are on Binance. You all know that right now in 2023, Binance do not have a copy trade. Okay, they don't have a copy trading platform. Now, let's say you have an account on Binance and you are looking forward to opportunity to copy other advanced traders or to copy what is working to your Binance account. This is the best way to go about it. So click on the marketplace right here. When you get to the marketplace, okay, just allow it to search for all the exchanges. Okay, so the futures bot is available to users of Bybit, users of Binance Futures, okay, and users of Kraken, because it's available to those guys. So these are some of the guys who have been doing magic. These guys have been doing magic with their bot. Okay, so when you look at this kind of API, like okay, the profitability of this bot, okay, is over 1,000%. Okay, this guy is trading magic USDT. Wow, that is really magical. That's magical. And this guy is trading Bitcoin USDT, and his profitability is over 700%. Over 700%. Okay, so and it has been copied by 8 people. 8 people. So you can also copy this bot to your account. Okay, you can copy what is working right there to your account. All right. So you can keep scrolling down, scrolling down. This is the only person who is shorting the market. This guy is shorting Cardano. Okay, so there are many of these guys. They are extremely bullish. They are extremely bullish. So these are the top of performance. You can copy either of the top performance. And this is their weekly results. Okay, this is their weekly results. And if you like to achieve the same results within 1 week, then you should copy this guy. Okay, let's switch to monthly results. Okay, for the monthly result, this is their result in 1 month. Their result in 1 month. This is really amazing. Okay, imagine that you've been able to like make 107% profit on Bybit in just 1 month of copying this guy. Okay, this guy has been longing Solana, and if you see that, if you notice something, Solana has really been pumping. It's been pumping like crazy. All right, pumping like crazy. So you're going to be able to make a lot of money for yourself by copying these guys, by copying what works on their platform. Okay, isn't that amazing? Okay, so let's say 3 days. Okay, this is the 3-day results. Okay, and let's say 1 day results. Okay, this is 1 day results. In the last 24 hours, these guys will be able to make profit of over 150%. Okay, 153 here, 247 here, and 250% profit in the last 24 hours here. So if you actually trading, if you are copying this guy with $1,000, okay, in the last 24 hours, you must have increased your money to over $2,000. That's exactly what this means. When it comes to profitability in the last few hours. Okay. So what other things do you guys want? Okay. So just copy what works. Copy what works. This is as simple as that. Copy what is working and make money like easy, with ease of mind. Okay, so that is one thing about the marketplace for copy trading. It is really awesome, really awesome. So if you like to try grid board by yourself, maybe you are a kind of advanced traders. Okay, you can create futures grid board by yourself. Okay, just come here and supply the important parameters. Okay, important parameters. But unfortunately, except you have an account on Binance, okay, you will not be able to use this opportunity. So you need an account on Binance, Bybit, or Kraken in order to be able to use this opportunity. So I have an account on Obi and it is linked to my account. So look at this. Notice if you had two assets from one exchange, the balance of this exchange will be doubled in TradeSanta dashboard by default. You can change this display setting in Binance in Balance Dynamics block in the dashboard. So it's a warning. Don't add an exchange twice. Okay, it's going to confuse the API kind of. So now this is what you have to do. Come to grid boards. So for today, we're going to be creating a grid board for ourselves today. A grid board for ourselves today, right? So let me go real quick and create this grid board here. I have my access point is OB. As you can see, my access point is OB. I like to long. I'm not interested in shorting. I like to long this. Okay, so I will choose my pair. Okay, and the pair I like to trade here is A AR here. Okay, if AR is here, I like to trade AR. Okay, I like to trade AR. That is Airwave. So I'm going to scroll down. Look at the chart. This is the chart. As you can see, you can leverage this price volatility and make some money for yourself. So I will leave this at 20%. Okay, I'm going to be updating you guys about the progress of this board, and you can see things for yourself. So trading take profit starts from 10%. I like that. Extra step of 3. I'll make this maximum extra to be 3 also. Okay. I will leave this as 11% or increase to 12. Sorry, 11 USDT, or probably increase this to 12 USDT. Okay. So I'll click on turn and save. It is really easy. Turn and save. So click on turn and save, and the bot will start running. Okay. Can you see? It will start running. Yeah, it will start running. So every dip, it should buy the dip. Yeah, buy the dip and sell. Buy lower, sell higher. Buy lower, sell higher. And keep doing it. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Wash, rinse, and repeat. That's exactly what I want the bot to be doing. Okay. Wash, rinse, and repeat. So now you have this information right here. The access point is OB. The pair is ARUSDT, which is Airwave USDT, and the take profit is 20%. Yeah, 20%. And truly take profit is 10%, and step of extra order is 3%. Maximum count of extra orders is 3. then our order volume is 12 USDT, and the closing date is today, right? And this is a long bot ID. This is a trading ID, right? So now, if I like to clone this bot, I can just click on clone. Okay, it's going to clone the same bot for me. Okay, and I may decide to just change a few parameters. Okay, I might decide to change this to let me say maybe a Filecoin. Like, I like to use the same parameter for another coin. Okay, so if you have enough balance on your account, then you can clone bot as many times as you want. Okay, what it does is that you can use the same bot settings, the same bot strategy, okay, to trade Filecoin. You can use the exact strategy to trade Bitcoin, okay, and some other cryptocurrencies of your choice. That is the essence of the clone. Okay, so instead of inputting the same parameters every time you want to create a new bot, all you have to do is to go to the old bot. Okay, once you get to the old bot, then okay, immediately you get to the old bot, then um you can start cloning. Okay, just go there and clone it. All right, just go there and clone it. Let me see. Let me look at this. So I'm going to go to my trading terminal. Okay, or let me go to my dashboard and see what has been happening. Okay, so at the moment you have no take profit. Yeah, that's take profit. That's obvious. Okay, then you have unrealized profit and loss right here, and this is my position, as you can see right here. Okay, so you're gonna be getting a real-time report of what is happening to your bot on your dashboard. Okay, so you want to have access to what is that, like, you want to have access to things, your bot performance. You want to be able to assess it, to see if it's making sense or not. All you have to do is just to come to your dashboard, and click on it. It's going to click on it. Okay, then it will show you a report, profit dynamics and the balance dynamics of that bot. Okay, so if you're watching this tutorial now, if you're watching this review now, what you can see right now is that I've started a bot. Okay, and this is my initial balance. Okay, this is my initial balance right here. Okay, and in the next few days, I'm going to be coming back here to share with you, to update you about my unrealized profit and loss. Okay, I'm going to be coming here to share this update with you pretty soon. Okay, and you see how far the bot has really performed, probably next week or the next 2 weeks. Okay, next week or next 2 weeks, I'm going to be sharing the update with you. So now this is, I think I'll be able to explore the platform. You want to use charts, okay, like you want to load some charts. That is if you don't want to use TradingView. Okay, well, I kind of prefer TradingView because it gives you a wide access to the chart. Okay, so they have different subscription model, as you can see right here. I'm currently on active plan. Okay, I'm right now on the active plan that allows me to use the futures board, custom TradingView signals, TradingView screener signals. Trading take profit is available. Telegram notification, you can link your bot to Telegram, and it keeps notifying you every time you are making profit. Okay, so all strategies are available for the maximum plan. All right, so we have unlimited number of pairs. If you like, create bot for 300 pairs. That is your own problem. Okay, so you have unlimited access to um different pairs. So I have access to trading terminals and unlimited number of bots. Okay, that is really awesome for this little price. Okay, so and you have an advance, which is what I highly recommend. Okay, recommend this to those who have been trading for a while. Okay, and if you're just getting started and you like to see how things work, it makes sense to use this. Okay, but advance is recommended, and the maximum price is what I recommend if you want to earn passive income on autopilot. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to say. If you like to earn passive income on autopilot, I like to recommend this to you. Okay, if you want to earn passive income on autopilot, use the maximum plan. Okay, use the maximum plan. Okay, so because it allows you to copy futures bots. It allows you to copy futures bots, long, short. Like, you don't even have to bother yourself to create all of this bot. Go to the marketplace and copy what is working. Okay, copy what is working. So if you have a reasonable capital that you can make back you can make back your plan. The money you spent on the plan, you can make it back within few days. Okay, so if I like to extend this plan now, okay, I'm just going to come here. Okay, let's say I want to extend this plan now. Okay, I will come here and probably go for, instead of $70 per month, okay, I'll just go for 3 months and have a good discount. Okay, and I can decide to pay for 1 year, which is $420 for 1 year. Okay, so imagine that I have a trading capital of, let me say, $3,000. Okay, and I'm able to make like 20% profit in a month. I've really made more than the money I've spent on the plan. So that's really how it works. Okay, so right now I'm on $70 per month plan. Okay, if I want to extend this, okay, I'm going to extend this beyond 6 months. That will be like 1 year plan. Okay, and I'll be able to save a whole lot of money from that. Okay, a whole lot of money from that. Okay, so at the moment I'm testing it out right now. Okay, and I'm going to be sharing my results with you. I'm going to be sharing my update with you. Okay, and you'll be able to test it out by yourself. So if you want, if you really want to like test the platform now, this is my referral link. I'm going to be sharing this in the comment box. Okay, check out the comment box now and use my referral code. Okay, use my referral code to sign up. Okay, when you use my referral code to sign up, it helps this channel to grow. Okay, and it gives you that kind of incentives to even create more and more videos. Okay, and create more and more values. Okay, on YouTube. Okay, that's exactly what you're telling me. Okay, so now this is how far you can go on this this new bot I just discovered recently. Okay, and I'm going to be updating you guys frequently as time goes on. So bye for now and have a fantastic trading experience.